Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to claim credit back on Temu, updated for 2025. Whether you accidentally used your credits or just want to recover rewards from past orders, this step-by-step guide will help you get your Temu credits back quickly and easily. So make sure to watch till the end to not miss any important step. First is open your Temu app and log in. After logging in the search bar search credit back and try to find the claim. If no luck, search the daily credit, still no luck. Lastly, search the reimburse all. And that's it. You've now learned how to claim credit back on Temu in 2025. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest Temu tips and money-saving tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.